you press start. You press start, then this one, it will weave.
But if you have 4 colors, you have 4 of these.
4 of these, yes, 4 of these. So when the brain, you see, have the pipe here. The pipe, automatically the color will be inside the tank. It's the mixer. It's small mixer.
What is it mixing?
Mixing water and the color and the liquid all together, then mixing into one thing, one liquid.
Okay.
And from the one liquid from the bottle directly to the mixer. Yeah, yeah. So this way, this one it can no need the labor to touch. You know, every how many bags, cement, how many colors. This one, how many, this one, how many. No need.
And you mix it with water because it's easier to go.
Yeah, that's right. Because finally you should be mixing with concrete.
Yes, it's water.
If you just add the powder inside, it needs long mixing, because it's a powder, small powder, just 50 gram or something. It's not easy to mix in very evenly. But from here,
That's why when we have manual mixing,
yeah,
first we put a little water.
Yeah,
then put
that's right.
cement, then turn it on, and then
Pour
apply
it.
this.
Yeah, just pour inside cement. Stop mixing. So this one from here, already liquid.